to welcome our chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Ali Muhammad. I extend heartfelt welcome to Honorable Justice Mr. Ali Muhammad Magrey, who acknowledges the invitation to grace the occasion and to share his valuable views and experience. We are really grateful to you, sir, for taking time out of your Officer Srinagar, Mr. Manzoor Ahmed Kumar, who has been our mentor.
Kothibagh. I always thankful to Madam Instruction for facilitating us. Faculty members and students of Girls Higher Secondary School, Kothibagh, members of print and electronic media, education officers.
International Women's Day. Today we are just celebrating 46th day throughout the globe. But as a person, this day means a lot to me. As an individual, I thank you. You have given me an opportunity.
My existence before you and the existence of this world is thousands and thousands of years back. And the sole basis for existence of the world is a woman. Otherwise, none would have been existing on this earth. Now you know why I refer to that. We all have faith and belief. And that faith and belief takes us back to the existence of the world. The woman, we are celebrating. There were so many other areas of my concern, but